Yo! What's up, guys? It's your boy Bean here and Chris X Ma.
Hey guys!
Today we're gonna be eating McDonald's. What do we have here today, Chris?
We have the jalapeno McChicken, habanero McChicken, and the ghost pepper McChicken.
So there's a story behind the ghost pepper here. We actually had to travel to a different McDonald's. I called like a few, called like 5 of them, and they all ran out of ghost pepper. I was like, what?
Can we eat? I'm hungry.
No, we have to eat the same one first.
We'll eat the jalapeno first.
The jalapeno? Oh my god, you dropped the fries.
So here's the jalapeno burger. Let's show you that sauce that it has. Not much sauce.
You can't put it too close.
Let's check the bottom. There's some sauce at the bottom. So I heard it's not too spicy, this one, but we'll figure it out ourselves.
Yeah, we're gonna take a bite together.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3. It just tastes like a regular McChicken to me.
Yeah. I don't feel any heat or anything from this burger.
So, let's just eat the next one then.
No, I want to finish this.
We finish after! Alright, whatever. We're just gonna inhale this really quickly so we can move on to the next burger because this one didn't seem to want to put it down.
The jalapeno burger was not too bad. Not that spicy.
So basically, they're just McChickens, but it's all in sauce. Yum.
Take your time, man. I'm gonna drink some water.
Kind of coldest water bottles here, like how all those other people have. Did you ever see the videos where they have the coldest, the big black bottle?
No.
You need to watch more. So this is ours for now.
We'll upgrade soon. If you guys didn't notice, we have some backgrounds. It looks really dark on the camera, but we'll work on that.
And the walls are looking a little plain, Oh, you waiting for me?
I am. Take your time. So the next burger is the jalapeno. Let's show you the inside of it real quick while Benny works on his burger. Not too much sauce at the top. Check the bottom. Oh yeah. It's a lot darker, the sauce. Still not done?
You just took my time.
Yeah, I did. But you took it literally.
Okay, it's time for the jalapeno.
Alright. Let's get it.
It's actually habanero.
Habanero?
We just ate the jalapeno, dude.
Yeah, habanero, that's what I meant.
Wait, did you say jalapeno or habanero?
Habanero. For sure.
Wait.
Okay, let's go. We'll take a bite together. You ready?
Yeah, let's get it.
3, 2, 1. I feel some spice.
You can feel some in this.
Definitely spicier than the other one.
Ooh. I have feel it.
I like this burger. Or maybe I'm really hungry. I don't know. So this is our second video. I'm getting a camera soon. It's just not in stock right now. But I did place an order. It should be coming in the next week or two.
I feel like we're doing a lot better job in this second video compared to our first one.
Yeah, we've kind of fixed the graining issue, the grainy issue we had earlier. And this time we have like seats to sit down on. Hopefully we'll improve on that later. And behind the scenes we were working on some angles. Those angles were taking a lot of time, man. You don't understand how much time that takes. I like this burger. Very spicy.
I believe you said that.
I did, but I'm just letting you guys know.
I like this burger.
Yeah. Put some french fries into this. Awesome. I gave you too much. Let's get it.
Alright, let's just move on to the ghost pepper.
Nah, you finish your burger.
Nah, I will finish it. Nah, okay.
I like my water. I drink a lot of water. Yeah. So what do you think of our last video? Wasn't bad for our first video.
I thought our last year's absolute ass.
Well, it's about the progress. So hopefully we're improving compared to the last video. Alright, are you ready to hit the ghost pepper, my brother? Alright, so I'll show you guys a preview of the ghost pepper. Oh my god, this thing is oozing with sauce. So here's
I'm so full right now.
Are you?
This is why I didn't want to finish it. So I can eat my fucking ghost.
Wow, look at that.
So I eat my ghost pepper burger instead.
They put so much sauce in this one. So we went to the second location, McDonald's. I can see why they have it in stock. There was a lot of construction in that area. And yeah. And it wasn't very busy. While the first one was packed. It was like full house. Your burger looks kind of deformed.
My burger is poorly constructed.
Very. But they added that sauce though.
Yeah, they got my sauce on like one end of my burger.
It's fine. eat the side with the sauce. Alright, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
You got anything? I don't taste anything. I really missed the piece.
I tasted it, but like, it's weird. It's not okay. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit spicy. Yeah, this is spicy. You don't feel it?
I don't feel it. I starting to feel it.
Yeah. This is spicy. After the second bite, you'll feel it.
Oh, I'm so full. I'm just gonna have one more bite.
Nah, man, finish it.
Fuck off. Not spicy, man.
What was that? Oh my god. The ghost pepper,
I need a proper chair.
my chicken is spicy. So if you guys don't like spicy, the habanero is a good option. Because it's a tiny bit spicy, not too much. I'm gonna finish that second water bottle.
Okay, I need to get a better table. And some proper chairs.
Next video, do you guys like a better table?
You want to see what I'm sitting on? 100% whey.
Gold standard. And I'm just sitting on a bucket.
Gotta start somewhere.
Starting from the bottom, and we're still here.
It's about 12 a.m. here. So, we're gonna put this video to an end.
Wait,
We're gonna put this video to an end.
not yet. Give it like another minute.
Right, we're gonna put this video to an end. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
You guys know your boy Chris will finish his food.
Yeah, whatever.
And then don't forget to like our stuff, subscribe, and comment down below on what we should eat next.